Hello and welcome back to another video on the Colgrass with Racing YouTube channel and Facebook page. And today's video is all going to be about pulling out the engine. It's sad because it's about that time of year, but this one's going to head back there by our other one. And it's a process to pull an engine out, so this will be exciting. But it will also take a while, so we're going to start doing this here and see if we can't get her done within the next week.
Was that a car?
Yep.
One of the kids must put a Matchbox car up in here. I heard it come right out that end.
Michael said he took the tire off one day and there was a dinosaur in the tire.
So where are we going to put this thing? Where are we going to put this thing?
Just set it right down here for now.
Can it just sit on the oil pan?
And then we'll drain the water out.
And so, once again, I apologize. I was in kind of a hurry trying to do one thing while Dad was trying to get this thing out. I don't remember what I was doing, but I was not focused on working on this at all. And him and Papa Ted were like, alright, we're pulling out the engine. So I ran out there, grabbed my camera. I didn't really get to help much at this stage at all. So I apologize for not getting any footage of like the training coming out or anything like that. I did help a lot with getting the training out, but I don't know what I was thinking. I didn't even think to grab a camera because, you know, I was coming right off a summer where I didn't record anything in the garage and still trying to get used to all that. But, so this was a short little video today. But stay tuned because the next video we got is me washing everything up and making it all look nice again. So stay tuned. That should be coming out on Monday, right after Thanksgiving here. So hope you had a great Thanksgiving, and that's going to end today's video. Thanks for watching, and a boom boom boom, out go the lights.